Welcome to OBDSync. I'm Jason, and in this tutorial we're going through how to program a replacement Sensing and Diagnostic Module, also known as the Airbag module, in a Holden JH Cruze. So first off, click the vehicle button and then go to the SDM tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module. If you haven't licensed this module already, it will show the licensing screen now. One big thing to note is that the replacement SDM module must not be from a vehicle that's had deployed airbags. You cannot use that. It will fail to flash. Next, we're going to click on the flashing tab and then go to the right button. Make sure you have a battery maintainer fitted, and once you're ready to go, click right and it'll begin downloading the required files. It will then start the flashing sequence, which can take anywhere from 30 seconds through to a couple minutes, depending if it's a calibration only write, which is what this example is, or if it needs to also do an operating system update, which takes quite a bit longer. Once this is completed, we'll see that it will be running a finalization routine and then finally a pop-up indicating it's successful. Just coming into our last part here, and it should be done in a few moments. There's our finalization routine. And finally a pop-up indicating it's successful. So go ahead and press OK. We then head up to the learn functions. We will then need to do the option configuration learn. This is doing the SDM primary key. We've already done this on this car, so we won't click that this time. And then also for the VIN Security Link, this takes 11 minutes to complete, and it programs the VIN and the immobilizer information for that vehicle into that module. Once that's done, it's all completed. You can clear any pending faults if there is any. Otherwise, that's all you got to do. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.